Forget all the complicated methods for making money online. Today, we are revealing a revolutionary set of websites that will pay you $10 per click. You don't want to miss out on this amazing opportunity. Just stay and watch our entire video today. These remarkable new sites are available globally without any cost. They'll definitely leave you jaw-dropping with their innovation and convenience. Today, we'd like to showcase surfbox.com, a website that offers quick payments and comprehensive statistics for each click you make or referral link you use. For every single click on the site, users earn 1 cent, and an additional 1 cent is given out when one of your referrals clicks through. Although this may appear insignificant at first glance, it's important to remember that up to 500,000 clicks can be made in just one day, making a real difference in your pocket. With 500,000 clicks per day, you stand to make $5,000 each and every day. Both Payer and Perfect Money are accepted as payment options on this website. Unfortunately, PayPal is not yet supported here, but no need to worry. The sites that follow will accept PayPal plus a plethora of other payment methods. Don't miss your chance at success. Just hit the register button in the upper right corner of your display to start raking in money with this incredible platform now. Subsequently, navigate to Scarlet Clicks by typing scarlet-clicks.info in your browser. Upon accessing their website, you'll observe that they offer up to 1 cent payout for each ad click. Landing on their website, you can immediately tell that it's a great place to gain money in numerous ways. By clicking ads alone, up to 1 cent each will be earned by referring new members to. An even bigger earning potential is unlocked. That's not all. Completing offers also guarantees more earnings. When the time comes, your winnings can be cashed out through Skrill, NetTeller, Payer, AirTM, or Bitcoin account. As members of this platform, our earnings per click can reach up to $1. You'd be hard-pressed to find another site offering such a great value. To create an account, simply click the register button in the upper right corner of your screen and follow the easy instructions. In no time, you'll be all set up. Before we delve further into our discussion, take a few moments to subscribe to this channel and give us a big thumbs up if you enjoyed this video so far. If anything here has been both interesting and educational for you, please don't forget to leave a comment below. Lastly, make sure not to miss out on SurfClicks as it's definitely one of the best options for us. As you can see, grow your CEO rankings using crowdsourced click traffic is incredibly affordable and easy to use. In fact, you can get started within 60 seconds. Plus, all of the clicks are made by actual people. There aren't any bots here, so everyone has a chance for success when utilizing this platform. When a business owner pays SurfClicks, some portion of that payment will be distributed amongst those who registered as clickers, like us. The unmatched feature of this website is the possibility to make up to a staggering 10 times more than other sites per click. So while you may have earned only 1 penny per click on another site, you can now potentially earn 5 or 10 cents each time here. Furthermore, there's also a 10% referral commission and an incredibly low $5 payment minimum, making it even better still. However, the cost for using this service is slightly higher compared with the other sites before. SurfClicks pay-per-click is higher than that of other websites, so the extra fee is justified. Plus, other clickers are compensated with PayPal. A great option as it means anyone from any country around the world has access to earning money with SurfClicks. At our website, we welcome people from all backgrounds to join us and make an easy income in countries with limited job opportunities. No interviews or filtering needed. To get started, simply navigate to the Product tab on the homepage and select Become a Clicker, which will take you straight to this page. From there, click on the big blue button that says Click here to get started. Register your details and start earning money immediately. ysense.com is our final website for today, and it offers more revenue streams than what you've already seen. You could gain money by downloading applications, signing up on websites, viewing videos, just to name a few possibilities. Compared to our previous sites, this one provides the widest range of earning chances ever. So don't miss out on ySense. It's an amazing resource that can help boost your monthly income significantly. Not only can you earn money from taking paid surveys on ySense, but you also have a chance to shape the future of products and services. With their referral program, all you need to do is tell your friends about it and watch your earnings soar. Up to 30% of what they make will be credited towards you. Plus, there are plenty of payment options available: Skrill, Payoneer, PayPal, or Amazon gift cards, whichever one suits your needs best. When you're ready to start making money, selecting Join Now will begin the sign-up process with multiple options available. Why not try them all? You could be earning hundreds, maybe even thousands of dollars each day by utilizing these websites in tandem. It's that easy. With minimal effort, you can watch your wealth grow without lifting a finger. With just a few clicks and some links, the money will be rolling in an autopilot. So take my advice and give it a try. If you tend to enjoy similar content like this one, check out my other videos too. Please show your support by liking them as well as subscribing to the channel with notifications enabled for more updates. And if something is still unclear after all that has been said, please don't hesitate to drop me a comment down below. I'll answer any questions of yours soon as possible. Catch you in the next video.